Do you want to make your website more eye-catching and animated? Today I will explain what Lottie is and how to use it. On the Lottie website, we come across animations essentially that possess the characteristic of being extremely small in size. Okay? Let's take a look. Let's search for the keyword restaurant. Here we have a range of animations to choose from, providing us with multiple options to consider. You have the option to look at them directly on the homepage of LottieFiles.com. Let's choose this one, this frying pan, okay? That looks pretty cool. Here we have a first toolbar to customize our animation, but let's go ahead by enabling the HTML to copy it into our web page. We create an account with our user. Kindly wait for a moment while it saves our data in the system. I am registered with my Gmail email address. We enter. From this point, we are directly in the feature of the animation, and we go to embed HTML in order to customize the settings and make any necessary adjustments to the appearance and functionality of the animation. And from this point of view, let's take a look. We have the ability to set a width, a custom width. We can update the background color of the image, make the animation faster or slower, and we also have a longer one. At this moment, I am changing it to black, and now I want to remove the animation player. I want to remove the loop as well so that it stops, and the autoplay, and I want to give it an overlay effect so that it animates when hovering the mouse. And now let's copy the code that the page has generated for us. And I am going to directly paste it into the block of the test web page that I created with LiveCanvas. This tool has been incredibly helpful in simplifying the process of designing and customizing web pages. I highly recommend giving it a try. It has made my workflow so much more efficient and saved me a lot of time and effort. At this moment, I am going to put the scripts that have been generated on the page of LottieFiles. I am planning to divide it so that we can read it more easily. Furthermore, in the initial one, I am intending to include the defer attribute. This indicates to the browser not to wait for the script. Instead, you should proceed with processing the HTML by constructing the DOM. The script loads in the background and executes when the document object model is fully loaded. To have a preview of what I just did, I pressed the Apple PE key, and as you can find out, our animation is already appearing on the page. Now let's center it. So we open our editor, go to the HTML content of our page, and basically we are going to add several classes, which are MEXAuto. This is a bootstrap class that serves to horizontally center the content of fixed width block level. And then W50 and Hauto. Width and height are the abbreviations. With its values are other classes that come from Bootstrap to effectively manage elements responsively. We save all data, and using the LiveCanvas tool, we examine all visualizations of different screens to determine if the content is responsive. Therefore, we have it stored and can access it for review whenever necessary. Now, I would like to add another detail. Here we have the main component, which is the Lottie player, this script, and it is the same one. So, if you have an animation on your website, you can simply leave it in its current position here. If you have several in reverse, I suggest you go to the Customize of the Pico Strap theme and look for the section that says Add Code in Header and Footer. And we are going to paste it in the footer so that it is reflected on all of the pages of your website. And that's it. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and that you can use this new knowledge to bring more advantages to your business. By the way, if you have any doubts, questions, or suggestions, leave them in the comments of this video. Don't forget to give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you soon.